Hi, my name is Jinjin, and today I will show you how to do your laundry. The first step to doing your laundry is to load the washer. If you're putting in pans, it's very important to check the pockets. The next step is to pour your laundry detergent into the washer. Then you want to choose the temperature. I'm going to do normal warm, and then hit start. The next step is to put your clothes in the dryer. It's very important to check the tags to make sure whether or not they can go in the dryer. Masks do not go in the dryer. Usually fitness outfits like this, fitness clothes, do not go in the dryer because they are made of polyester. And the last step is to fold and put away all of this laundry. Now you have no excuses and you can do your laundry.